Hi, I'm Sabine from Australia, and today I'm going to create a floral abstract art with acrylic pouring. I've mixed chroma acrylic black with neutral house paint. Looks a bit like a jelly blob, doesn't it? But this consistency works really well. I didn't measure, I just added a big blob of paint to my medium. So spread the paint across the canvas and cover the sides. So if you'd like to know how I mix my acrylic pouring mediums, check out the video in the link in the description box below. Oh, I love the consistency of this pigment pouring medium. It's been sitting for some time, so I added a small amount of water just to get the flow happening. I have no plan today. I am just being in the moment and going with the flow. And let's see what happens. Okay, so I enjoyed making that scribbly mess there. Now for the cell activator. So make sure you mix equal parts acrylic rich gold and Floetrol for metallics, and for the white and red acrylic paint use 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. Oh, that swipe could have been a bit more flush with the pour paint. I love the colours though, they look yummy. I might put some little squiggles in, get some little patterns happening. I like the way the cells are opening up, and I like the way those pigments and the transparent and opaque paints are blending. They look pretty cool. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe and like this video. It helps my video grow and reach other artists just like you. Well, I think this turned out just fine. What do you think? I love the way the colours have come together, and I only realised after the fact, but I had a mix of brilliant magenta cell activator, so that was a bit of a mess up on my part, but it didn't really do the acrylic pouring harm. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Take care.